Welcome to Questrade. In this video, we'll show you how to upload documents to your Questrade account. You may be required to upload documents when opening an account, or for certain account-related requests. To get started, go to questrade.com and log into your account. Stocks displayed are for illustrative purposes only. Starting from the Summary page, click Documents on the top toolbar. From here, select Upload Documents at the top of the page. Now, choose the account you'd like to upload documents to and hit Apply. Then, select the document type from the drop-down menu. Now you can upload. Either drag and drop the file directly over the document box, or click Browse to search for the file on your device. Please note that the maximum file size you can upload is 30 megabytes. If need be, you can provide us with a note of additional context for the document in the Additional Details bar. Once all this is done, click the Upload button. You'll then be presented with a pop-up. From here, you can either click to upload another document or hit Done to take you back to the Documents page. It's here you'll see your new document and its current status under the Upload History tab. We hope you found this video helpful. For more informative videos on how to navigate your Questrade account, please check out the other videos on our YouTube channel.